Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 20th of March. I'm James Spann. Spring about to begin late this afternoon. The weather cloudy tonight, maybe a sprinkle or two after midnight. The next significant rain should be early next week on Monday. Check it out. There's the upper look across the country this afternoon. Got a short wave coming down across the Great Plains. It brings that chance of a few sprinkles late tonight. A big upper high over Montana and parts of the Pacific Northwest and Western Canada. They're seeing very warm temperatures underneath that thing. Here's a visible satellite view. Got a cloud band from near Dallas-Fort Worth up to Chicago and Indianapolis with that feature. And again, that will be coming in here tonight with clouds. And again, maybe a touch of light rain in spots after midnight, but for many places, not enough rain to measure. Many spots will get nothing at all tonight. Temperature's not too bad, mostly in the 60s this afternoon. Tuscaloosa, 67. Birmingham, 63. Fort Payne still in the upper 50s at 59. And around the nation, looking a lot more like spring across the country. There's the watch warning map, a very quiet day today. Got a few winter weather issues in the western states and up in the northeast, and that's about it. Severe weather not expected anytime soon, but there could be some thunder through tonight back in the western states. And the precipitation for the next 7 days. Amounts here in Alabama, not that heavy, under 1 inch. And again, the next significant rain will likely be early next week on Monday. That's when most of that will likely fall. So model fans, let's go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Shortwave moving east of the state. Now, this is 4 a.m. So in the middle of the night, there could be a few patches of light rain coming through. Nothing too heavy or widespread. Most of you will sleep through that. And then by noon tomorrow, that's gone. Early morning clouds giving way to a partly sunny afternoon. The high should be in the 60s. Friday, we start the day in the upper 30s in most spots, and the high should be fairly close to 70. The sky will be sunny, a very nice day. This is Saturday, a delightful day to kick off the weekend. Now, Saturday morning will be in the 30s, but the high should be again close to 70. The sky bright and sunny. And Sunday, we'll call it partly sunny. The high Sunday should be in the low to mid 70s. And I guess there might be a few showers late in the day over northwest Alabama, but again, the better chance of rain will likely be late Sunday night and Monday. This is Monday of next week. We'll expect periods of rain, maybe some thunder, no severe weather. High should be in the 60s. Then for Tuesday, that feature is on by. Tuesday would be cooler. The sky partly to mostly sunny, the high around 60. And Wednesday, troughing off the East Coast, a northwest flow aloft here. And a dry air mass. We start the day probably in the 30s. The high will be in the upper 60s. Let's go out 10 days. Saturday, March 30th. Shortwave, rather a long wave trough off to the west. And that suggests a chance of showers maybe creeping in here by late in the day or into Sunday the 31st. But obviously that could change. That's 10 days out. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. A lot of 60s and 70s on the board, although Tuesday and Wednesday of next week look fairly cool, and again, potential for another frosty morning by Wednesday morning of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.